ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh, man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well, I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high.
Bam! Hey, kids, welcome back. This is a build overview. This is not a build video, but we're going to go through the pieces, kind of go over things a little bit. But it's going to be very cool. So this, starting out, I'm calling this the buffet build because the frame is from Taco RC and the motors are butter whisks. So, you know, all we need is some eggs and some shit, and we can, you know, one of Bardwell's pigs, and we can get this thing rolling. So anyway, this is called, the frame is called the 3D Power Goodman 220, I believe. Might be 210, but I can't remember. Anyway, went over this in my rant yesterday a little bit, and it's basically a cross between a, what would I say, a Proton and a Campfire quad. That, I think that's probably the best way to say it. Comes with a really nice, I believe this is nylon, don't quote me on that. Very nice print. Comes with the, and you can pick the color. My buddy Wes helped me. He's like, yeah, get a blue one, whatever. Okay, so this is blue. Little motor guard, arm guards, I should say. Some hardware, and obviously 4 arms, a top and bottom plate. Doesn't get much easier than that, right? So, nothing but a peanut. Pretty simple to do. So, what we're going to do, I believe these are 5mm arms, by looking at them. Yep, 5mm arms. Chamfered, very nice carbon so far, looks like it. Preset frame nuts, which I like. Let's see, they give you access holes to get into the stack mount, which is really cool. And that's really about it, nothing but a peanut. So, and they even give you a cool strap, says Taco. Yeah, and then, so we're gonna put that together, then I'm gonna weigh it, and I'm going to tell you what the dry weight is. Then we're gonna use the BL Heli ESC, the Holy Bro. Oh, what is this one called? The, shit. I can never remember this stuff, guys. Anyway, there's, in the description, you'll see all the Teco, I think. 35 amp, 32-bit BL Heli S. Looks like a really nice ESC. Got a cooling pad on the bottom. Very sharp. Not cheap. It's like 56 bucks. It's not hateful, though. With our little connector doohickey. We even have little cut mounts there. That's pretty cool. That's so you can get your standoffs in there. And we're going to use the Helio spring. Bam! F4. We all know what that is, I think. Let's see. The butter whisk motors. We'll go over these as well. Very, very nice. Love, from the looks of them, they look absolutely gorgeous. And Foxeer micro cam that we all use and love. So, let me pop this thing together. Bam! Be right back. Alright, and we're back. That took all of about 2 seconds. So, it looks very cool. It's a lot of canopy, but it's a cool bird. I like it. So, let's see. I did not put the motor guards on yet. They're not motor guards. They're actually, they're TPU. They're supposed to dampen the motors. They actually go over like that. Whatever. So, we've got 4 of those. 2 nuts that I have not put on. Dry weight up 85 grams, which is 87, whatever. It's pretty good, pretty good. So, I like it. They do give you extra bolts. They give you camera mount screws, which is a really nice touch. Very, very cool. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to pop this back off, obviously. And we're going to go ahead, and like I said, this isn't a build video. This is just going to be an overview of the guts, and it's going to be one badass bird. So, I think my brother in Croatia, Wayne's going to buy this. So I guess that means I have to make it nice. So, we're going to see the butter whisk motors. Here they are. Going to look pretty hot. Going to look pretty hot. So, have not decided how I'm doing these as of yet. But either way, we're going to be using the ESC, the Helio spring. Bam! This is only going to take nothing but a peanut. It's going to be a really quick build. So, give me 20 seconds. I'll be right back. bam, and we're back. Not bad for a 45 minutes. So here's the finished product. Boom. I don't have the canopy totally bolted down yet, just because I want to show you guys what we did. My buddy in Croatia that I think is going to buy this, he may not. Dude, if you like it, great, it's yours. If you don't, that's fine too. He wanted red, white, and blue. So there wasn't a whole lot I could do with it because I wasn't planning on doing a red, white, and blue bird. Yeah, so I might change the color of the VTX antenna. I threw these props on because they're the only ones that my wife said were blue. And they're just on there for looks, obviously. But she turned out really nice. Very, very nice, clean build. A shout out to motor manufacturers, guys. Please, 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 if you're decent, most of you are, give us longer motor bolts. Because almost everybody's making 5mm thick arms, and when you have a 3mm thick bolt, or even 4, it doesn't quite work. So I had to dig through the magic toolbox and find some stuff. So that is the bird right there. So we're going to go ahead and pop the top. Really, there was nothing outrageous or difficult about this build. I mean, this frame is very, very nice. Let's get an all-up weight first before I go tearing it apart. All right. Scale that tells no lies. This is everything but a battery strap. 316, not bad. Not bad at all. So those props are stupid heavy too. I would never use those for racers. I did not use a far view on this. I left it a dipole because this thing is pretty much set up as a race bird. But dipole works pretty well too. So that's easily swapped out. If you want to use this frame and use a dipole, I'm sorry, a cloverleaf or a pagoda, if you know what you're doing, and you want to put an SMA in there, you're going to have to either A, print something that goes between those standoffs, or do what I do and just drill a hole in the top of the canopy. I've done that many times. Which one did I do that on? Proton, if I remember right. Where is that damn thing? Yeah, Proton I had to do that with. And some other builds I've done for friends, I've had to do that too. So anyway, let's just get the props off so we can see what she looks like. Bam, there she is. Very nice. Let's pop the top. Like I said, really nothing extravagant. I still need to set it up on Butterflight, obviously. I'm going to load the Odin firmware in this. This thing is going to be a real kicker. It's going to be nice. Let's see. All right. So on the canopy side, we put the VTX03 double-sided tape, sticks great to the TPU, brought the antenna out, heat shrink onto the antenna so it doesn't pop off, XM Plus receiver, FR Sky, going through the antenna tubes, obviously, and obviously our Runcam, ooh, bite my tongue, Foxeer Micro in there, going into the Helio spring. Nothing really fancy about that. I did do a direct solder to the XT60, which is kind of cute. Yeah, so that's really about it. The frame is laid out very, very nice. No complaints whatsoever. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. It looks like really nice carbon. It's really well made. It pops together. It's pretty much Bardwell proof. I mean, it's very easy to do. Everything's drilled nice and accurate. That's really about it. I would definitely build this frame again. I will build this frame again if I sell this bird, which it looks like I'm gonna. So, to somebody anyway. Yeah, that's about it. So, she turned out very nice. I'll go ahead and set her up. We'll probably do a pop test video here tomorrow, probably. I don't think I'm going to do it today. Plenty of room in this thing, too. It was a very easy build. You didn't really have to think much about it, about placement or anything like that. You can get great camera angle on this thing. So, bam! I guess time will tell. We will see how she goes. So, kids, that is it. The buffet build. Taco RC frame with butter whisk motors. So anyway, till next time, all the guts for this are in the description. Keep shining side up, kids. Bye.